tonight is very special for me because, as you know, I did walk to lose 203 pounds to music. A lot of that music was Gary LeVox. I've made it all the way here to Michigan City, well, it's called LaPorte, Indiana, to see him play tonight. And I have a very special jacket on that I had made for these shows. Gary and his team have done so much for me over the past year of my life. I will never have enough thank yous. And I really consider what happened in my life to be a teamwork between Jesus and music and a lot of hard work that I had to put into on my own. And so this jacket's kind of like an athletic type jacket. So I kind of consider this as like Gary was part of my team, whether he believes that or not. He was a part of my team. And I am repping his logo on the back tonight. And I'm just so grateful and excited to be here. And even better, I get to meet the sweet girl that made this for me. And I'm so excited.